Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to accept the simple input from the user and then how to display it on screen. For that we'll be using an online editor. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. So we can see here for writing input and output, we have two functions available in Python. One is input function for input, and for output we'll be using print function. Okay. So we will just write a simple program which will accept user's age and then is going to display the age, what will be his age after, let's say, 5 years. Okay. We'll be using an online editor for it. Okay. So we will write our program here. Okay. We'll take a variable called age. Okay. And then we are going to ask user to input his age. Okay. So input is the function. Let's say I'll write enter your current age. Okay. So it will ask me to enter his current age, and then I'll display the same to the user by adding 5 to it. Okay. So I'll again write here print statement, your age after 5 years will be. So I want to display this one as it is. Then I'll just give a comma, that is, it separates the arguments. I'll just display age, since in age I have accepted the input. So I have to add 5 to it, right? Why? Because after 5 years, what will be his age? This will be his age. Now, as per my logic, the program should work, but there is a problem here. I will explain it once I will run it again. Okay, so if I run this program, okay, see, it is not accepting. Why? Because it says your age, your this variable, okay, the age what I have taken, it contains a string, okay, but here what I am doing is a mathematical operation. That is why it will not add. So to overcome this problem, what I can do is I can add here one extra function called int. So this int function will convert whatever I will enter through my keyboard into a integer. But the question is, I am entering 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I mean the age. It is an integer, I accept. But the problem here is the behavior of this input function is different. It accepts the input in form of a string. So that is why I have to convert it to integer. Now I will run this program again. Okay. I'll just use another filter. It's showing some issue here. This editor is much simpler. It's sorry for inconvenience. I'm going to add here even the same lines here. And like for example, age equal to temporary age, okay, or current age. And then I'm going to display it here to print function, print your age after 5 years. will be age plus 5. Now we know the reason why to add here int, I mean int of input. So this program should work now. Okay, enter your current age. My age, let's say 12 years. If I show here, the age will be 17 years after 5 years. This is now correct. Okay. And you see, if I just remove this int function, it will stop working. It will not display the age now. It will show that we can't concatenate a string with an integer thing. Okay. See, if I add here 15 years, it will display error. Only concatenate string to a string. Okay. So this is one simple program. Now we will see how we can write conditional statements in Python. Okay, there are basically three conditional statements: if condition, if else condition, and if else condition. And we have nested if also. Then what is conditional statement? Conditional statements are those statements which helps us to decide something. For example, if it is raining, then I will take an umbrella. Else, I will not take umbrella. Okay, something like that. Or let's say, depending upon the day of week, I want to wear a different type of uniform. If it is Monday, I will wear a blue color. If it is Tuesday, I will wear black color and something like that. Okay. So to write such a program, we can do the same here. Let's say I write a simple program which will accept user's age and then it will display whether he is eligible to vote or not. Okay. So write such a program. We can modify this program again. I am asking user to enter his age. I'm writing if statement here. This is the very basic one. The syntax of if is like this: if is greater than equal to 18. See, I'll put a colon here. Why? I'll explain the reason behind it. Okay. See, if I put a colon here, it means the next line or the execution of next line will depend upon this condition. If I don't give a colon here and if I press enter, see, it goes to the beginning of line. It means the execution of this line don't depend upon this line. But I have to write a program where the execution of next line depends upon whether his age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. So for that, I will give a colon here. And then I will press enter, and then I will write a simple print statement. Okay. You are eligible to vote. Right? This is a simple program. Now, if it is not the condition, then else what? Else we will write again print. I just copy this line again. You are not eligible to vote. Fine. Let's test this program. I missed the bracket here. Age, let's say age is 15 years. Okay. Again the same thing. I forgot the integer int function here. Now it should work fine. I have int function which is converting my entire input into a integer. Okay. Now it should work. Let's 15 years. Okay. It says you are not eligible to vote. Now again rerun the program, enter the age at let's say 20 years, you are eligible to vote. The third condition can be, let's say, exactly 18 years, okay, you are eligible to vote. So this program will actually help user to identify whether he is eligible to vote or not. The other form of if is if elif else and nested if. So we can study all these statements in Python to write simple programs where condition is required. Similarly, we have other statements in Python to loop, that is to iterate. Okay, but for that we will be using a formula. Fine. That we will see in the next video. Fine. Thank you.